how to change Facebook Messenger notification sound. Now, the very first thing we're going to do, if we were to change the Messenger notification sound, all we have to do is to go to our settings right here and scroll down until we find notifications and status bar. We just have to tap on that and scroll down until we find the Facebook Messenger, which is right here. We just have to tap on that and we just have to scroll down until we find more settings right here. Then when we're right here, all we have to do is to tap on customize notification right here so that we can customize the sound of our Facebook Messenger notification. We just have to tap on that. And now, in order for us to customize or change the Facebook Messenger notification sound, all we have to do is to tap on notification sounds right here. And we can pretty much choose whatever we want it to be. Let's say right here. Now once we're done, we just have to go back. And now it has been saved as the new notification sound of Messenger. So that's how to change Facebook Messenger's notification sound. Hope you help.